Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, June 9th. We're going to be seeing another beautiful day out there with mostly sunny skies. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer compared to yesterday, with temperatures rising into the lower to mid 80s this afternoon. Take a quick look at our surface analysis. We do have a tropical depression crystal ball, which moved onshore over Louisiana a couple days ago and has since moved pretty much due north. It has given some widespread rain to Missouri there, as you can see on this map. It is going to combine with this system that's currently over western Kansas as we go into the next day or two, and that's going to then move off to the north, strengthening a bit, and then moving off to the east as we go from there. The associated front with this system will be moving across the area in a couple days on Thursday, which is going to be our next chance for some showers and thunderstorms. For today, we are still seeing high pressure in control across much of the mid-Atlantic, which is helping to provide us with another day of mostly sunny skies and giving us some warmer temperatures out there with a high of 85. That's high pressure did shift a little east compared to yesterday, which is going to give us a south-southeasterly flow. And it is going to depend on exactly how much of a southeasterly component we have today, especially along the coast, to determine exactly how warm it will get. If that flow remains more southeasterly than southerly, we will be remaining in the low 80s at Wallops. But if it is able to shift a little more southerly, we'll be seeing those temperatures into the mid 80s. So a little bit of a tricky high temperature forecast along the coast for today. Taking a look at our satellite loop this morning, which is currently loading, so we will get back to that. But the story is we're just mainly going to be seeing some upper level cirrus clouds over the bay and to the west of the bay, and so you should be able to see that off to the west and remaining mostly sunny at Wallops throughout the workday today. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing those winds fairly light and variable at the surface through about 3,000 feet, then remaining around northerly from 6,000 feet up through 12,000 feet at 15 to 20 knots, then shifting northwesterly to northerly at 20 to 30 knots between 16 to 25,000 feet. Seeing our freezing level this morning just below 15,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a high of around 84 degrees this afternoon. Winds are going to be from the southeast or southeast around 5 to 10 knots this morning, increasing to around 8 to 13 knots by the late afternoon hours. We are going to be seeing those winds then shift more southwesterly as we go into the overnight hours, expecting winds southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots by sunrise on Wednesday, with a much more mild low expected tomorrow morning of 69 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecasts, like I said, it's going to be seeing a few to scattered cirrus cloudiness, mainly off to the west today. Could be seeing a few clouds near 4,000 feet pop up this afternoon with that daytime heating, but we are seeing some pretty good subsidence out there, so really should not be seeing too much other than some cirrus clouds as we go into this afternoon. As we go into tonight, we're going to see those cirrus clouds sticking up again. Could also be seeing some low clouds develop as we get some more moisture moving into the boundary layer and see those winds lighter, which should allow a little bit of low clouds to develop, but not really expecting too much low cloudiness as we're past that the typical time of year we would see the widespread low cloudiness in these types of conditions. We are still seeing tides slightly above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at our long-range weather model to tell you how this weather pattern is going to progress. There's that remnants of tropical depression crystal ball you can see there over northern Missouri and Iowa, and we're going to track this as it combines with that system coming from the west and moves over the Great Lakes. Here, as we go into tomorrow, we're going to see that southwesterly flow increase should bump up our temperatures a degree or two, but it's mainly going to be drawing in some more moisture, so that will bump up the humidity. Could also see those winds start to increase later in the day, Wednesday, and we're going to start the day off partly cloudy, but we are going to be seeing those clouds increase as we go Wednesday evening, as we see this front starting to develop, and we are expecting some widespread showers and storms west of the bay, but it does look like that high pressure is going to prevent any of that from reaching the Delmarva on Wednesday. As we go into Wednesday night, going to continue to see that southwesterly flow, so expect a warm and a more humid night for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then Thursday, that front's going to finally start to approach our area. We are still seeing some timing differences for that front moving to the area on Thursday, but it does look like it's going to be more of an afternoon and evening event. We will be expecting some thunderstorms as well as we'll have some good instability in place. So it should be dry before noon on Thursday, and then slowly seeing those chances for precipitation increase as we go throughout the afternoon hours, with showers and thunderstorms becoming likely by evening and continuing throughout Thursday night. There is some discrepancies on how fast this front is going to move out of the area. Some models like this one do have it lingering a little bit slower, so continuing to see showers and thunderstorm chances for Friday, and then moving out of the area by Friday afternoon. And it is going to be a question as how far east this front will move before it stalls out and provides assistance for our next system that's going to be dropping in. Right now, it looks like Saturday is going to be dry, especially if that front moves far enough east, as we're going to be in between this front and the next shortwave moving in. And it should be a very nice day Saturday, only looking around a 10% chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. But as we go into Sunday, we're going to see another shortwave drop down and some good upper level energy, which isn't really depicted well on this map, is going to pick up this lingering energy and moisture for Sunday, and it's going to combine over the mid-Atlantic to provide some good ingredients for some widespread showers and isolated thunderstorms as we go Sunday and into Monday as well. Sunday does look like a better chance of just seeing some showers and rain, and then does look like our instability will increase from Monday, giving us some more thunderstorm chances, and that will likely carry into the middle of next week as well. So let's take a look at our 7-day forecast, expecting a high of 84 degrees today, 85 tomorrow with a low of 69 tomorrow morning, and then seeing a more humid morning Thursday morning with a high of 71. We're going to be seeing a high of 80 as we'll see some much higher humidity and cloud cover that should prevent those temperatures from getting into the mid 80s, but still going to be plenty of instability out there to give us those showers and thunderstorms later in the day and into Thursday night as well. Friday, like I said, still a little bit of a question on how long that front rather is going to be lingering across the Delmarva coast. And so we're still going to be looking at a 50% chance of some showers and thunderstorms for Friday, mainly in the AM hours, with a high of 81. Saturday, we'll be in between systems. We'll see a little bit of some those temperatures drop off. Temperatures in the upper 70s for Saturday under partly sunny skies. Only looking at a 10 to 15% chance of an isolated pop-up shower for Saturday. And then Sunday, we'll start to see that additional shortwave pick up that lingering energy from our Thursday, Friday system. And that's going to provide some good ingredients for widespread scattered showers on Sunday with a high of 74, possibly an embedded thunderstorm, and then some more scattered thunderstorms as we go into Monday, also looking at a high of 74. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.